First, let's learn how to split screen text effect on CapCut. Let's open CapCut. Click on New Project. Now on Media menu, select black background, like this. Now select on Text menu. Can be the basic text. Write the text you want. Select font and font size. And the type of font you want. Size and shape. Here you have to put the text size, the same size as the video size, like I show you here. Select the text and the video. Click the right button mouse and you going to see a menu and click Create a compound clip. Now select your video file, which will be behind the text. Put it under the text. Decrease the video size, or increase the text size. Now comes the funny part, the important part. Select the text. Go to the Video tab. Go to Blend now. Select Multiply. See what happened? It's ready. Now you can add some music to the project. All these musics are free to use.
Every time I train myself because
Chose what you like. Decrease the size of the music for the size of the video. Click play and see. Your video is ready.